All right, everyone. So we will start just in a minute. All are about to join. So all can get ready. We will start in a minute. All right, everyone. So before everyone else joins, let us do. So in the last class, what did we discuss? We discussed all about, in fact, we revised completely what we have learned in the previous sessions. So before moving ahead, to be sure that you all do not have any doubts, let us do this question and I will ask randomly to tell me the answer of this. If it will be correct, then we will start with dot and the cross product. After discussing, so the question here is you have to find the resultant vector of these two vectors at 60 degree. So you have to find the resultant vector. So quickly, whoever will be done, they should let me know the answer in the chat. Calculate resultant vector. If x vector is 4, y vector is 5, that means this is the magnitudes given. Quickly, all should give the answer. I can see only three answers I can see, but those answers are just involving the magnitudes. Guys, look at the question. It says calculate the resultant vector. वेक्टर में क्या होते हैं? एक तो मैग्नीट्यूड होता है और दूसरा डायरेक्शन भी होता है, there is direction also for a vector. So if you all found magnitude, find the direction also. Right now I can see the right answer. Magnitude क्या होगा? Root x square plus y square plus 2xy cos theta. So that will be root x square plus y square plus 2 into x into y into cos 60 क्या होता है? 1 by 2 we will put. So we get root 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and then 4 into 5 is 20. So we will get root 61 unit will be the magnitude. डायरेक्शन के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? tan इनवर्स y sin 60 by x plus y cos 60. So this will be with respect to x. Or you can also use tan inverse x sin 60 by y plus x cos 60, but this will be with respect to y. Is this understood to all? Okay, one more we will do based on the resultant concept. Yes, with respect to x axis you can say, you can find it, calculate कर लो ना, y के जगह 5 रख दो, y5 है, x4 है, this is 60 degree. Find out. This is not y axis, this is just the name of vector, x and y vector. Okay, so here we will get tan inverse y sin 60 by x plus y cos 60. So we will get tan inverse 5 root 3 by 13. Right? Tan inverse 5 root 3 by 13. इसमें कैलकुलेशन में कुछ समझना है, ऐसा ऐसा तो हमने we did almost 15-20 problems in the last class. अब इसको अगर फिर से सॉल्व करना है, so you all have to watch all the previous classes. ये तो मैं आज नया सेक्शन स्टार्ट करने वाला था, randomly I gave you this question and still you guys are confused. What will be the answer? With respect to other end क्या होगा? Tan inverse 4 root 3 by 2 by 5 plus 4 by 2. So you will get tan inverse 4 root 2 root 3 या 4 root 3 by 14. So it will be tan inverse 2 root 3 by 7. है ना? With respect to other end ये भी कह सकते हैं. Okay. Yes, Shivansh, this is correct. Okay. One another question we will do. Okay. So here you have to find the sum of vectors. Okay. Yes, I scrolled up. जल्दी जल्दी भाई लोग एक ही क्वेश्चन किए इतना देर में. Okay. So we will do the dot product now. अब बहुत क्वेश्चन कर लिए. Based on one topic only, we have revised also. Let us see the dot products. So we have talked about how to add two vectors, how to subtract two vectors. Addition and subtraction we have talked, guys. Addition ho ya subtraction ho, we call this operation addition or subtraction. This operation is called as resultant operation, right? We have talked about resultant operation. Now talking about multiplication operation. So there are two ways to multiply two vectors. One, we can use dot product. Another, we can use cross or vector product. So cross or vector product we will talk at a later stage. Now we will see the dot. We also call it as scalar product. So remember, there are two ways to multiply two vectors. One, the dot product, another cross product. So let us talk about dot product now. So if we have two vectors, let's say we have two vectors, vector A and vector B. Dot product is represented by A and then dot in between, and this value comes out to be A B cos theta. That means अगर मैं दो वेक्टर का डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालूं, we will get the magnitude of A. This is the magnitude of A. This is also the magnitude of B, and this theta is the angle between A vector and B vector. So we have to remember कि A dot B क्या होता है? AB cos theta. This is one way to find dot product. For example, let us say find the dot product of two vectors with magnitudes 4 Newton and 3 Newton at an angle of 60 degree. So all of you quickly let me know what will be the dot product of this question. So here if we find the dot product A dot B, what will it be? A into B into cos theta. So that is the magnitude of two vectors multiplied together. So 4 into 3 into cos of theta, that is theta is 60 degree. So cos of 60 is 1 by 2. So this will come out to be 4 into 3 into 1 by 2. So result will be 6. The dot product will be 6. So this is one way to find dot product. Now, before seeing the another way, let us have a look of I vector, j vector, that means j cap and k cap. So these are the unit vectors along x, y and z axis. So if we want to find out the dot product of I and I, so what will be the answer? Can anyone tell? I dot I, what will it be? Yes, Shivansh, you can tell me.
Then it will be I cap whole square into cos 90.
I cap whole square नहीं होगा ना, ये मैग्नीट्यूड लेते थे. A is the magnitude of A, B is the magnitude of B. So these are unit vectors. Magnitude will be 1 1 into cos 0. Angle between them is 0, and cos 0 भी 1 होता है. So 1 into 1 into 1, it will be 1. So if we have the dot product of I or J or K, the answer will be 1. Similarly, anyone can tell me what will be the value of I dot J or J dot K or I dot K or even K dot I. All
Sir,
will
is
be,
it sir,
yes,
is it 1 into 1 into 1 1 into 1 cos theta or 0 degree?
K and I or I and J, सबके बीच में एंगल क्या है? 90 डिग्री है.
No, sir, no.
Theta is
In
the,
that I cap into I cap.
this is of course 0 degree.
Okay, sir.
So let us say we want to find I dot J. So I dot J will be the magnitude of I, which is 1, the magnitude of J, which is 1, and cos of 90 degree. So cos 90 is 0, so answer will be 0. So if the two vectors, let us say, here we have the result. So result number 1. If we have two vectors A and B and they are perpendicular, then A dot B will be 0. That means the dot product of two perpendicular vectors will be 0. Number 2, I dot I निकाल ले, that means for same vector J dot J or K dot K, this will be 1. And we have I dot J निकालें या फिर J dot K or I dot K, this result will be 0, because in this case angle is 90 degree and in this case angle is 0 degree. The third result, A dot A is equal to A square. Now why this is true? Because A dot A क्या होगा? The magnitude of two vectors, तो दोनों vector का magnitude A ही होगा, and these are same vectors. So for same vector angle is 0, so that will be A into 1, because cos 0 is 1 and A into A is A square. So these three results we will remember, and based on these three results we will get the fourth result. So we will verify fourth result, but let us write. So let's say we have a vector x I cap plus, let us say, a1 I cap. A vector is a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and we have another vector b as b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Then a dot b, that is equal to, multiply the coefficients together. So a1 into b1 plus a2 into b2 plus a3 into b3. This is the next result. So this is another way to deal with the dot product of these two vectors. So let us verify this one. So before that, all should write this and ask me the doubts, if any, related to this section. Just note down the result, and all the result I have explained except this fourth result we will see.
B1 should be multiplied with B2 and B3 also, no, sir, and A2 with B1 and B3 also. 3 also.
This is the result. This is the result. We are going to see its proof now. I have said it 3 times that this is the result you should write down.
Sir, is it combined for A vector and B vector both, sir?
It's A dot B.
Okay, sir.
A dot B, here we have A dot B is, this is the way to find. डॉट प्रोडक्ट का यूनिट क्या होगा? देखो ए डॉट बी क्या है? ए बी कॉस थीटा, इसका कोई यूनिट नहीं होता है। बी का यूनिट लेट अस से दे आर इन न्यूटन्स, दिस इज आल्सो इन न्यूटन्स, तो न्यूटन स्क्वायर, ये कहीं पर यूज नहीं होगा। लेट अस सी द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस वन। So with an example, let us see the proof. If A vector is 2i cap plus 3j cap and B vector is 3i cap minus j cap, let us say. So what will be A dot B? First, you can use the result and let me know the answer. Then we will see the proof. What will be A dot B? So इस A dot B का रिजल्ट क्या मिला? चलो देखते हैं। 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus 1 है ये, 3 into minus 1 guys. So this will be 6 minus 3. It should be 3. You have to also take care of minus signs. Okay. Let us prove it. चलो इसको मैथमेटिकली प्रूव करते हैं और वही इसका प्रूफ हो जाएगा, इसका बड़ा प्रूफ होगा, दैट्स व्हाई वी विल नॉट डू दैट although it is not required. So A dot B, what we will do? Mathematically I should write here 2i plus 3j dot लगा दिया and then 3i minus j, right? And then what we will do? जैसे नॉर्मल मैथमेटिक्स में करते हैं, वी टेक दिस मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस, लेट अस डू दैट, 2i cap into 3i minus j and then plus 3j cap into 3i minus j. So we will get the same answer guys, just observe. बट ये प्रोसेस कभी करना नहीं है बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, और ये तो 2 ही है, अगर 3 में रहता i j और k होता तब बहुत बड़ा प्रोसेस हो जाता। ओके, नाउ we multiply them together, right? We multiply them, तो multiply करने में क्या आएगा? 2i into 3i, I can write 2 into 3, that is 6 I dot I, and then 2 into I into j, and then plus 3 into 3, that is 9 into j into I, and then minus 3j into minus j, that will be 3j dot j. Is it understood to everyone?
Sir, will the proof be asked anywhere?
Process
No, sir, proof.
proof you should know.
Okay, sir.
ओके, तो ये आई डॉट आई क्या होगा, सभी को पता है ना, 1 होगा। आई डॉट जे एंगल क्या है, आई एक्स एक्सिस के अदर है, ये दिस इज अलोंग वाई, एंगल इज 90, तो ये 0 हो जाएगा। जे डॉट आई भी 0 हो जाएगा, एंड देन व्हाट वी विल गेट, ये जे डॉट जे इज 1, तो 3 इंटू 1 इज 3। देखो यही तो किया हमने यहाँ पर, तो रिजल्ट सेम मिला। फ्रॉम दिस ओनली वी कंक्लूड, यू कैन प्रूव इट। चलो इसको जल्दी जल्दी प्रूव कर लेते हैं, जल्दी जल्दी इसको प्रूव करते हैं। ए वेक्टर हमारे पास आया a1 आई कैप प्लस a2 जे कैप प्लस a3 के कैप। जिनको लिखना है प्रूफ लिख लें, ऑल्दो दिस प्रूफ इज वेरी वेरी लॉजिकल। b1 b2 b3, so what we do, a dot b, मैं यहाँ पर कॉपी पेस्ट करता हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू टेक मे वेरी मच टाइम। So a dot b, I'll take this a vector and do the dot with b vector. So this is b vector, right? No doubt till here. Then what we will do, we will expand one by one. पहले ये लिया हमने, पहले ये लिया और इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया इसके साथ, so we get this one. Okay, so this multiplied by complete this and then plus this a2 j cap multiplied by complete this and then plus a3 k cap multiplied by complete this and then let us expand. देखो यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट एक्सपैंड करेंगे, a1 i इंटू बी वन आई, so a1 इंटू बी वन, आई डॉट आई क्या हो जाएगा 1, so I will not write that. Okay guys, is it necessary to multiply this and show to you? यहाँ पे i डॉट जे हो रहा है राइट, तो वो
Yes,
जीरो हो
sir.
जाएगा, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू शो राइट।
Yes,
आई
sir.
डॉट जे जीरो हो जाएगा, ये आई डॉट के भी जीरो हो जाएगा, तो लिखने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। तो इससे क्या मिला, बस a1 b1 इन द सेम मैनर। इससे क्या मिलेगा देखो, j डॉट आई मल्टीप्लाई करके कोई फायदा नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज जीरो, एंगल इज 90, ओनली वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई j डॉट जे, तो यहाँ पे मिलेगा a2 इंटू बी टू, रेस्ट ऑल थिंग्स विल बी जीरो। इन द सेम मैनर k डॉट आई मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या आएगा जीरो, k डॉट जे किया तो जीरो, k डॉट के किया तो हमें क्या आएगा a3 इंटू बी थ्री इंटू वन, so that will be a3 into b3. Is this understood now to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so all should take part in the poll and let me know. The two ways are clear to find the dot product. What are the two ways? Let us summarize here. A dot b, we can use ab cos theta. When can we use it? जब हमारे पास a और b का मैग्नीट्यूड गिवन होना चाहिए and the angle is given to us. When can we use this one? a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. When the two vector is in the form of a1 i plus a2 j plus a3 k and b vector क्या है b1 i plus b2 j plus b3 k, right? The two ways are clear guys. अब यहां से एक और इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट निकालते हैं। इफ, अच्छा चलो वो रिजल्ट नहीं निकालेंगे, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डू दैट क्वेश्चन। उससे पहले ये प्रूफ, ये रहा प्रूफ, साइड में ये भी लिख लेना, आई डॉट आई क्या होता है 1, आई डॉट जे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इज 0, है ना, सारा लिखना नहीं है, सिर्फ ये एग्जाम्पल लिख लेना है। ओके गुड एवरीवन, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड, तो जल्दी से ये नोट करेंगे एंड देन वी विल गो अहेड। Okay. Now one question before giving the result. ये देखो 4 result है ना, 4 results are there. Okay, 4 result. Make this number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. First result ये लिख लो, a dot b is ab cos theta. Sixth result we will write here, and then I'll give you guys to write down this result. तो sixth result को लिखने से पहले first you all can try thinking. So I'll give the question. If I'll give you two vectors, a vector दे दिया 2i minus 3j, b vector दे दिया I plus 2j. So you have to find the angle between a vector and b vector. Here I'll give you hint. Hint is that we require dot product. बिना dot product के ये question इस type का होगा ही नहीं. We have to determine the angle between these two vectors. Okay, some answers I can see. All should try this one. I'll give more hint. We use both the process of the dot product. So here we will use the two process of the dot product. See, A dot B is AB cos theta. Another way to do is to multiply the coefficients. Ye 2 into 1, it will be 2. Minus 3 into 2, it will be minus 6. And this is equal to A and B. What is this? These are the magnitudes. Now you have the vector. You can easily find out the magnitude. A का magnitude क्या होगा? Root of 2 square plus 3 square. B का magnitude क्या होगा? Root of 1 square plus 2 square. So this will be root 13 and this will be root 5. So we will have root 5 into root 13 as the magnitudes of A and B, and then cos theta. So from here we can solve and get cos theta as minus 4 by root 65. तो थीटा क्या होगा यहां से? cos inverse minus 4 by root 65. Is this understood to all? Let us do another one similar to this. So we have two vectors. A vector is 2i minus 3j and B vector is 3i minus 3i plus 2j. So here you have to find the angle between A vector and B vector. So all will do this quickly. Let me know the answer.
Sir, can you please show the sixth result?
Here you have the result. This is just we multiplied. A dot B हमने कैसे निकाला? 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2. ये हो गया 2 minus 6. ये हो गया minus 4. And A into B ये क्या हुआ? मैग्नीट्यूड. तो मैग्नीट्यूड दोनों का निकाला एंड वी मल्टीप्लाइड. तो कॉस थीटा ये आ गया. तो थीटा हम डायरेक्ट लिखने का फॉर्म क्या है? थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस इनवर्स ये सारी चीज. Do this one. Of course, whenever you have two vectors and you are required to find out the angle, what we will do? We will use two different ways of finding the dot product.
So can you please scroll up little bit?
Yes. देखो सेम क्वेश्चन है. One answer I can see 90 degree. That is right. Yes, Pratika, you got 0 by something. That's the value of cos theta. So cos theta you have got 0 by जो भी मिला यहाँ पर. So this is 0. 0 by anything is 0. So cos theta 0 कब होगा? When theta is 90 degree. Right? Basic चीजें हम याद कर लेते हैं. Cos 0 1, cos 90 0. So here also what we will do? We will apply the same procedure. Angle निकालना है. Then A dot B is AB cos theta. Now just observe A dot B क्या होगा? 2 into -3 -6 हो गया. -3 into 2 that is -6 and this is equal to A into B. A क्या हो गया? Root of 4 plus 9. B का भी यही हो गया magnitude root 9 plus 4. So this will be root 13. This will also be root 13. So root 13 into root 13 into cos theta. -6 is -12. Root 13 into root 13 is 13. तो यहाँ से cos theta का वैल्यू कितना मिला? Cos inverse -12 by 13. Why did you all guys find this as 0? Is this question understood to all now? Let me
Sir,
know.
I didn't understand sixth resultant.
What you didn't understand?
Sir, how to solve the question? I didn't understand.
Last problem you understood?
Yes, sir.
This is exactly same problem. There is no change in the question. There also you need to find the angle. Here also you need to find angle. What you understood then in this question? It's just like you have understood the way to go from home to school, but you forgot the way to come to home. Even ये भी situation नहीं है. Situation है you understood the way to go from home to school today, and then after 1 hour I ask what is the way to go to school. You say I do not know. Right? This is the exact same problem.
Sorry, sir. Can you explain once again?
Okay. You should tell me to explain once again. But ऐसा नहीं है कि पहला समझ गए तो ये समझ में नहीं आएगा. This is not any different question. क्या है question? A vector we have it as 2i minus 3j. B vector क्या है? Minus 2i plus 3j. We need to find the angle between A and B. So what we will do? जब भी एंगल निकालना है दो वेक्टर में, we should use dot product. तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट में a डॉट b क्या होता है? दिस इज a इंटू बी इंटू कॉस थीटा. And a dot b you can find out. How you can find? By multiplying their coefficients. 2 into -2 तो -4 हो गया. -3 into 3 ये क्या -6 लिखा था क्या? ये देखो ये -4 होगा राइट. -10 होगा. ओके. 2 into -2 क्या होगा? -4. -3 into 3 क्या होगा? -9. ये भी यहाँ पे ये भी चेंज कर लो. -13 by -13. ठीक है. So you get -1. Cos inverse -1. 4 minus 9 -4 minus 9 is equal to ये क्या है? This is the magnitudes of A and B. तो A का मैग्नीट्यूड कैसे निकालेंगे? रूट ऑफ 2 स्क्वायर्ड प्लस 3 स्क्वायर्ड. B का मैग्नीट्यूड रूट ऑफ 2 squared plus 3 squared. So this is root 13 and this is also root 13. So A is root 13 and B is also root 13 and cos theta. Is this understood till
Sir,
here?
this is a different question, no, sir?
नहीं, different कहाँ है? Same question लिया ना,
Sir,
2i minus.
in the initial
Yes,
question,
sir.
it was -3 I cap plus 2
अच्छा
j cap,
माइनस
sir.
3 था, -3 था तब सही है। तब ये जो निकला था हमारा, ये -2 ही दिखाई सर्कल करने के बाद। ठीक है, क्या था यहाँ पर? -3। ओके, अगर ये -3 था तो हमारा ये जो पहले का था आंसर वो सही होगा। 2 इंटू -3 -6, -3 इंटू 2 -6, तो -12/13। यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा? -13 बाय रूट 13 इंटू रूट 13 क्या हो जाएगा? 13। तो कॉस थीटा क्या होगा? -13/13, दैट इज -1। सो कॉस थीटा इज -1। एक और चीज याद कर लो, व्हेन एंगल इज 0, cos 0, cos 90, because these are standard angles, and cos 180. 0 cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. This is just exceptional one जो कि हम 11th trigonometry में करते हैं। There we understand, but for now we can remember because we are going to use them very often. Cos 0 1, cos 90 0, and cos 180 -1. Okay, let me know, is this understood? अब ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us now go to the next question. If the angle between A vector and B vector is, or we have to find lambda if A vector is perpendicular to B vector, where A vector is 2i minus 3 lambda j, B vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So quickly, all of you will do and let me know the answer in the chat.
Sir, what is lambda?
Sir, lambda is a wavelength, right?
नहीं, वेवलेंथ नहीं लेना यहाँ पर, ये कांस्टेंट है। चलो इसको हटा देते हैं, के डाल देते हैं। कोई भी हो सकता है ना वेरिएबल, आई कैन से एक्स, आई कैन से फाइंड के। अच्छा, के में भी फिर कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, ये के कैप तो नहीं है। लेट अस से आई गिव इट एज एम। ओके, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड एम नाउ, है ना? सिंबल तो कुछ भी हो सकता है। के में भी कंफ्यूज नहीं होना था, के और के कैप, अगर के कैप देता तब वो गलत होता।
Sir, after the class, can you please share the notes of today's class?
ओके, टुडे एंड यस्टरडेज, जो भी हम यस्टरडे लास्ट सेशन का जो भी हम रिजल्टेंट से स्टार्ट किए, वी विल डू देम, आई विल शेयर। ओके, राइट, टुडे आई विल शेयर। So value of m, okay, I can see. All will find the value of m. So very different answers I can see. Let us see which one is right. A and B are perpendicular. Perpendicular है तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा? A
Zero.
dot B 0 because cos 90 आएगा. And how to find dot product? 2 into 1. And then minus 3m into 2. So minus 6m. And यहाँ पे कोई k cap नहीं है. So it is 0 k cap. 0 into 3 0 ही होता है. And from here you will get 2 is equal to 6m. और m क्या मिल जाएगा? 1 by 3. So whoever has got 1 by 3, I can see they are right. Is this understood to all? Okay, another one we will do. So you have to find the angle between A and B vector. If the magnitudes of A, B and C are given, and this is also given. जल्दी सभी करेंगे. देखो A और B में एंगल निकालना है, राइट? तो इसमें हिंट क्या होना चाहिए, c को दूसरे साइड ले जाओ और you will get minus c vector and square both side. इससे ज्यादा हिंट दे दिया फिर तो आराम से हो जाएगा. The biggest hint is you have to square both sides. So here a vector plus b vector is negative of c vector. We will square both sides. So a plus b into a plus b, and this will be minus c vector. If you square, so you have to multiply with minus c vector. So minus minus becomes plus, and we need to expand now. So a dot a will be a square, and a dot b dot a, and then b dot b will be b square. So this will be c dot c, what it is, c square. So here we have a square plus b square plus a dot b and b dot a both are same because दोनों का रिजल्ट क्या आएगा ए बी cos theta. A dot b is equal to b dot a. So a square plus b square plus 2 times a dot b is equal to c squared. So from here a square, that means it is 4 square, b square, that means it is 3 squared, and then 2 times a dot b, and this is equal to c square, that is 5 squared. So from here we can find 2 into a dot b. क्या होता है 5 squared minus 4 squared minus 3 squared. So this gives a dot b as 25 minus 16 minus 9. So from here 2 into a dot b, ये क्या मिला 0. So a dot b भी क्या होगा 0. So if the dot product is 0, that means the angle is 90 degree, and this is the angle between a vector and b vector. So if I had to find the angle between a vector and b vector, then I took this c vector to the other side. So no one has any doubt. Okay. So we will again do some questions from the dot product in the next class, and then start with another cross product after that. All right then everyone. So let us meet in the next class. Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes, bye everyone.
So shall we leave?
Yes, yes, yes. Next class we will meet.